Hello and welcome to Broad Talk.
Aren't you feeling tired today, Paula?
No, but why are you talking like this?
I don't know. I just feel I could have a Max Energy drink.
Wait, are you being paid for saying that?
Max Energy drink is like this update. It's quick and tasty.
As we're still working on the club improvements, we are here to bring you something legendary.
Is it another delicious bottle of Max Energy drink?
No, it's Meg, our newest legendary brawler.
Meg is the third member of Max and Surge trio, and she's a vending machine repair girl, which is super smart, but she also wants to be a hero like Max and Surge.
But Max doesn't think she's ready yet, so she never lets her join the battle. But it doesn't matter, because Meg always goes anyway.
So Meg has a small bolt gun and does little damage from a medium range. And she also doesn't have a lot of health points.
But that's okay, because the magic happens when she charges her super.
That's right, Paula. When she uses her super, she calls her vending machine repair bot and she becomes unstoppable.
Her main attack then becomes 2 deadly laser cannons that shoot 8 projectiles rapid fire.
And her super button gets a different mechanic. It becomes a secondary attack that deals massive damage to all the enemies within its range.
And this one charges itself pretty quickly, but it doesn't charge with the bot's main attack.
But be careful, because when Meg is on her bot, her HP starts to decay slowly, so it's only a matter of time until she goes back to her initial form.
However, once her health points reach 0, her bot breaks and she's back in the match. So the only way to defeat her is by eliminating her initial form.
Meg is our 6th legendary brawler, and she's coming to the game with the update.
We only have 2 new skins, but they are special.
The Supercell make Gladiator Colette, designed by Francie and Beats,
And V8-Bit, which will come together with the Retropolis environment and the Retropolis skins, which will now become seasonal and be available only once a year.
and if you buy all the skins, you will get exclusive pins for all of them.
And you can get V8-Bit for free if you beat the Retropolis challenge in October.
Before we continue, remember that the club improvement update is coming, and we are reducing the club capacity from 100 members to 30 members.
This is because we are working on a new way of playing the game, which is tied to clubs, and requires active members if you want your club to be the best.
So if you're looking forward to that update, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss it.
We are adding a skin randomizer and improvements on how to select them.
Pins are now usable in the club chat.
More animated pins, including a new exclusive pin for Dark Lord Spike.
More True Gold and True Silver skins.
Evil Queen Pam is getting new voice lines.
Wham! Bam! Here comes Evil Pam!
And improvements for teaming up with your friends.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you don't want to miss our next update.
See you in October. Wait, it's because of the soda. Don't blame me.